Hello, today I'm going to be reviewing the Arts Friend 2020 edition. So this is an upgraded version of the MF3 Arts 3M. And the magnets are decently strong, but not like super duper strong. It's as well super duper fast. It comes with an accessory box. You get how to solve this 3x3. Okay. A screwdriver and these two tools. And as well, thing that shows you for a different cube. I don't know why you would do this with when you wanted a different cube. But this cube is very fast. And for only $9. So the magnets are strong. I feel them very much. And you can change the settings as well over here. So with this tool you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until it goes down, and then I use 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the thing that I use. Yeah. People sometimes use different ones, but I usually use this one. As well, I can do a screwdriver here to make it looser. So now, as you see, it opens well more. I have it as it was, because I don't like when cubes are super loose, but some people like loose cubes, so you can. As well, it comes with a stand, so you can. Yeah, okay, and this cube is just super duper fast. This is my main cube after the Gang of Pro. But, yeah, it's super duper cheap as well. And it's way cheaper than the Gang of Pro if you don't want to spend $65. You can just spend $9. And this cube is already amazing. So, yeah, I very like this cube. And is probably the best budget cube that you can get. Just this cube did not come with any lube inside. So, if you want, you can lube it, so it can be faster. But, yeah. I can do it super fast. So I usually get around 8 seconds on this cube. My normal average time is 6. But I don't know why. It just get the Gang wasn't Pro, but I don't know why it's just maybe a little bit slower. Yeah. So this cube is super duper fast. Although it is quite heavier than like speed cube of the Gang 11 Pro. The Gang 11 Pro weighs 63 grams and this weighs about 84. So I do notice the difference in like over here between the Gang 11 Pro and this. The Gang 11 Pro is slightly lighter. As well, corner cutting is very good on this cube. Over 45 degrees. Even more as well works. Here gets stuck a little bit. Reverse is as well. Over here, it tends to get stuck over here. So but everything I like about this cube very much. So, yeah. If you're into speed cubing and you don't want to just spend a lot of money on a cube, then definitely recommend this one. This is super duper fast. A little bit light to say, but not as light as most speed cubes like the Gamma Pro nowadays. But it's pretty much probably the best budget cube you can buy. And well, the price is just amazing for well, the price is just amazing. That is so cheap. And yeah, I can do my Alex fast on this cube. As you see. Probably not as fast as on the Gamma Pro. I'll make a review on that as well. But now if you just not want to spend so much, then definitely get this cube. So, yeah. I love this cube. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you liked the video and please subscribe. Bye.